Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Whether you're a coding maestro, a writer on a marathon, or simply someone who values the health of their hands and wrists, the Ergonomic keyboard is here to redefine the way you interact with your computer. In this episode, we'll be unraveling the sleek designs, advanced features, and game-changing ergonomics that make these keyboards an essential upgrade for your workspace. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of ergonomic keyboard on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1. Standard keyboards force you to hold your wrists and arms at angles that can cause discomfort or pain in your hand, arm, or shoulder. With Nulea Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard, it can help you position your body more properly, with your shoulders relaxed, and can reduce the risk of fatigue and injury by its splayed and curved design. By Bluetooth and 2.4G USB, the Nulea Bluetooth keyboard can establish connections with up to 3 devices simultaneously and switch between them by pressing a button. This function allows you to utilize the keyboard to begin writing an email on your computer, switch to your smartphone to send a brief text message, switch to your laptop to change the background music, and then switch back to your PC to finish that email with one tap. You're getting tired of being bothered with battery problems. With its larger internal battery, 2000 mAh, and longer operating time, especially when the backlight is off, this wireless rechargeable keyboard enables you to focus entirely on your work without pesky interruptions. While the battery indication is on, recharge using the USB-C charging cord. Simple and practical. Number 2. One PEIOUS ergonomic keyboard is enough for 3 of your Bluetooth and non-Bluetooth devices, because of the multi-device technology that can pair with up to 3 devices simultaneously. A USB receiver was added to the Bluetooth keyboard to increasing its versatility, and more importantly, when an error occurs to your computer that makes its Bluetooth function fails to work, you can use the 2.4G connection to use the keyboard to fix it. With a rechargeable battery which lasts up to 200 hours in a single charge, the wireless ergonomic keyboard makes battery changing a thing of the past. Take energy conservation into consideration. The Bluetooth ergonomic keyboard will fall into sleep mode after being idle for 30 minutes. With 4 built-in legs, adjust the ergonomic keyboard to tilt positively, negatively, or lay flat is up to your preference, and the rubber strips on the base will hold the keyboard securely on your desk. Comes with a generously padded wrist pillow that fills with soft memory foam and covered with exquisite leather. All these make the Ergo keyboard comfortable to touch and easy to clean. Number 3. Traditional keyboards force you to type awkwardly. Our Ergo keyboard for laptop does not. Instead, it promotes a natural and comfortable typing experience. That is why we integrated a split 2-zone design with 110 keys and a soft wrist cushion to our ergonomic keyboard wireless. As a result, your typing posture is relaxed and comfortable. Clear the cable clutter on your desk and enjoy a clean workspace. The wireless keyboard ergonomic is plug and play and offers a 30 feet range through the USB RF receiver. This wireless keyboard features a large 600 mAh internal battery. The rechargeable wireless keyboard will last months between charges. Charging cable will be included. At X9, your satisfaction is valued tremendously. Therefore, along with our carpal tunnel keyboard, you will also receive lifetime support, hassle-free returns, and up to 2 years of warranty. Number 4. Are you suffering from joint and muscle discomfort from unnatural typing positions? Nulea Split Keyboard promotes natural arm and hand position while typing. The splayed layout keeps hands in line with shoulders. Are your palms bending or dangling while you are typing? If yes, it may cause pain in the palm and wrist after long time workload. To reduce median nerve pressure and minimize tensions on the forearm, this ergonomic split keyboard integrated a palm rest with a large surface, skin-touching feeling PU leather, and memory foam. We all know sedentary is not good for our health. Alternate sitting and standing while working are more and more popular. To keep wrists in a natural status for different postures, this ergonomic keyboard features 4 foldable tilt legs. 2 extra USB ports are equipped with the wired ergonomic keyboard for connecting or charging your mouse, headphone, or other extended devices. Features 107 keys with 17 multimedia shortcut keys, a numeric keypad, and LED indicator lights, compatible with Windows/Mac. The full-size ergonomic keyboard promotes responsiveness for a tactile and comfortable typing feeling.
Number 5.
Long hours on the computer can be tough, however, we have a solution. With a user-focused design, our ergonomic split keyboard will help you conquer your workload with less wrist discomfort. The integrated cushion on the wired computer keyboard provides much-needed support when typing. Your hand will be level with the keys for better comfort and efficiency. Unlike a traditional laptop keyboard that causes your hands to type in an awkward position, our Wave keyboard promotes a natural hand position for less strain and fatigue. The full-sized 110-key layout with 17 shortcuts and a numeric keypad will help you increase productivity. Also, the wired PC keyboard has LED indicators, an adjustable kickstand, and is plug-and-play. Your satisfaction is valued tremendously. Therefore, along with our wired keyboard ergonomic, you will also receive lifetime support, a 2-year warranty, and free returns.